And welcome back to another video of Coffee and Stocks. As always, I am here to provide you some very interesting information about the new stocks that I do find or that you guys want me to talk about. So before we get started, can I please ask you guys to drop a like on this video, as well as press that amazing subscribe button. As always, you guys make a huge difference in this channel, so I do thank every single one of you guys. Last Friday I wasn't able to give away the dividends that we talked about that week, so this week I am giving away $20 that you guys could put onto anything that you guys want. So comment down below and that will get you an entry to the dividends on Friday. So make sure to do that. And every single video that I do put up, drop a comment down below as well. All right, so the first stock that I do want to talk about that I haven't really talked about in a while isn't really a penny stock, isn't really a green stock or anything like that. It is Zillow with the ticker symbol of ZG, currently going for $137.21. Now, a few of you aren't going to be interested in this because it's really expensive, but don't forget something very important. If you do own Webull, if you do own Robinhood, they're able to give you fractional shares. Now, it's really important that you do own fractional shares in your portfolio of really good companies, right? Obviously, I am not a financial advisor, but I am letting you guys know that it's something very important. You have some growth stocks, you have some diversity in your portfolio, because it makes a huge difference. When a certain sector starts dropping and starts going to the red side, but then you are being held by the other sector that is really positive that day because it's different. All right, so definitely keep that in mind. Be smart in your investments, be smart when investing. Anyways, this is the year, well, this is today, it did start at 138.95. It did drop a little bit just like every other stock today, but it was able to pick up once again. In the whole month, it's been up more than 5%, starting being as high as $161 and being as low as $122. So definitely, be aware when you want to go into a certain stock, as well as when you want to come out of that stock as well. A few things about this. This came out March 30th, 2021. Zillow, this correction is a perfect opportunity to buy. Now, it has seen a 40% correction from 52-week high since mid-February. So that makes you think, this is a perfect opportunity for you to join. It didn't get any negative news. It didn't get any, sales report or short seller report or anything like that. But that stock is going to go up drastically. And that is exactly what happened. So as you guys can see right here, it did go down even in the six month chart, as you guys can see right here. 52-week high of 203, then it dropped that 40%, and then it has gone back up on that point again, and then it's dropped again. Now you might say, oh, maybe it's gonna go up again. We don't know the future, but it's definitely something to look into. The next stock that I do want to talk about that is pretty similar to Zillow in a sense, is Redfin with the ticker symbol of RDFN, currently going for $66.39. This might not be the best one that you guys want to think about. The 52-week high was $98, and I do believe it was February 19th, and then it also had that correction of about, 38%, so 40% as well, and then it came back up just like Zillow did. Now this one is more affordable, as you could say, but don't forget, you could still get fractional shares, which is really important with a lot of stocks in particular. Now, once again, I am not your financial advisor. This video is for entertainment purposes only. I do not suggest anything. I'm just simply letting you guys know some of the information that I am viewing, some information that I like to see, and I just pass it along to you guys. Always consult your financial advisor. Always go talk to them before investing, obviously, right? So as you guys can see right here, we have a little bit more news on Redfin. And it's since April, today, April 5th, 2021 at 5:30 p.m. Redfin completes acquisition of RentPath for $608 million. We did see a little bit of correction. Obviously, some people sold for profit, and then it's gone back up to around 4%. So that is pretty interesting. As you guys can see right here, Redfin completed its previously announced acquisition of RentPath for $608 million in freaking cash. Who has $608 million in cash? That's freaking wild. Redfin is a tech-powered real estate brokerage that operates real estate search sites and provides a suite of services to make the process of buying and selling homes faster, better, and less expensive. RentPath operates leading real estates, including apartmentguide.com, rent.com, and rentals.com. So that is pretty awesome. It has such a wide area. It's not just, buying houses, but also renting houses, renting apartments, finding apartments, anything in that matter. Let me tell you guys, I've used some of those sites to find, apartments or anything like that. So I do think that is something really, really huge. Combined with RentPath, Redfin can now be a destination of all North American consumers looking for a home. Redfin is definitely going to give Zillow such a competition. Zillow currently going for 137.21. Redfin is going for 66.39. Now with that acquisition, I do believe Redfin will definitely go up to its highest of $100. I'm not saying this week or this month, but I am saying it's definitely going to hit that in no time. But I am showing you both stocks because I do like them both. I'm not putting against themselves or against each other. So please pay attention to that. I'm showing both of the stocks because both of them can make you serious money, right? So as you guys can see right here, this is another thing that came from businessinsider.com. The typical American house price keeps hitting record highs. Redfin says that the rise is concerning. Yes, because obviously with everything that goes up, it must come down. That is a correction, right? So when investing in this company, have a clear path when you guys want to come out, right? So have a clear path. Don't try to hold the bag that much because it's not always going to go up. It's eventually going to come down. If you have to take profit taking, definitely do some of that taking. There's no shame in it. There's no, you're not a real investor if you're always profit taking. Screw them. Take your profits, invest in something else because there is always going to be a correction. All right. So Zillow going for 137.21 and Redfin currently going for 66.39. Both of them are really good, stocks, and it's something that you guys could definitely invest into. All right. If you ever have something or a stock that you want me to do some research about, don't forget to comment down below. Don't forget to also like this as well as press that amazing subscribe button because it does go a long way in supporting the channel. And I do thank every single one of you guys because you guys have been freaking amazing. Comment down below and that gets you an entry to win the $20 at the end of the week on Friday. And I'll see you guys next time on Coffee and Stocks.